My last video, my first video that we take this house, and today we're gonna build a giant car
Out of
blocks.
what kind of blocks?
Mound blocks.
Good job.
You put one right here. You have to put a rectangle one right here. We'll do the wheels way. Okay, so you do this. We use the rectangles when up top because we're gonna make 2-floor car. You put right here, and one right here, one right there, and one right here, and one right here, and one right there, one right here. We need another square, and another square. Now we need this one, and there, and then we need some triangles. A number. Okay. You put it out in here. Then you put one right here. And you put one right here. And you put one right here. And one right here. And one right here. And one right here, one right here. Hold on. I need another triangle. Okay?
I think there's one right there on the floor, Reg. Over there, buddy. It's over there on the floor.
All I gotta do.
Now you put your wheels on?
Yes. And you need 2 wheels. And where's my other wheel?
I think it's on the
Hold on.
floor.
Sit over here.
Oh, okay.
And cross below.
Say ta-da!
That is cool.
Don't forget a promise of moving well if you like this video. Bye.
It's a cool video.